BT1 is a unique product which bacteria and microbes cannot survive on, making it easier to maintain a more hygienic surface free from all solvents. BT1 replaces wood and all other adhesives and sealants. Free from solvents and all the other nasties, it's also the strongest bathroom adhesive. Tested on all shower panels, there's no need for fixings or another grouting product. BT1 will do it all. BT1 will successfully bond to absolutely everything: woods, metals, brickwork, concrete, glass, ceramics, UPVC and most plastics, even in wet conditions. Due to its revolutionary TRIBRID technology, BT1 has proven to reduce bacteria by up to 99.99%, effective against a broad spectrum of microbes including E. coli and MRSA. So many hospitals and schools are using this in all their kitchens and bathrooms to help fight the risk of infection. For all applications including bathrooms, wet rooms, hospitals, clinics and all public health institutes, it stays white for up to 25 years, which keeps clients very happy. BT1 is made in the UK and is also EC1 Plus certified, meaning it puts out very low emissions. Buying British saves jobs and is better quality. CT1 and BT1 are the only sealants globally to achieve the Norwegian Asthma and Allergy Association accreditation. When you use these products, you're actually reducing the risk of asthma and allergies in your home. BT1 is the only product you need and is available in most builders' merchants.